So in this video, it's going to be a little bit different. I'm actually going to test if my design skills are up to the par. And, you know, we're going to play some games. And I'm not talking about Dark Souls, because that stuff is hard. But I'm going to play some graphic design games to see if my skills are good. What we can play. So there's a few games. I love this one. You can check it out, type.method.ac. I'll put all the links in the description so you can have a bit of a play around. But this is all about kerning, right? So I'm pretty strong in my typography skills, I believe. So we'll test it out and see how it's going. So let's check this first one out, right? So I can click and move these letters. Obviously, there's a spacing issue between the A and the V. So we've got to close this off. And the first one's pretty basic. So we've got a score of 84. Okay, that's cool. Let's go to the next one. All right, so the T's a bit wide. So that can't be moved. So we've got to move this. And that can't be moved. All right, so we've got to adjust the P and the Y. What do you think about that? So there's a lot of space here. You can see there's space. You got to imagine like a hourglass pouring sand. And you got to sort of weigh the sizes there. I think that's all right, but okay, cool. So that was really bad. Oh, well. Let's go to the next one. Okay, serif fonts are a little bit harder than doing sans serif. So sometimes you can't move the letters, so we can't move the end letters. We got to like use these ones, but you really got to use your eyes. And sometimes I do that a lot in design, just like optically, like trying to balance it. I'm not gonna spend too long. See, they're pushing all these letters to the right for some reason, and just not making it weird. All right, here should be an easier one. So balance that. So we can't move the Y. We can move everything else though. So we're gonna move these this way. That's probably okay. Still a little bit of space there, but. Let's try that. Yeah, there was a bit more space, but I guess that's alright. Let's do a couple more. Oh wait, alrighty. So lots of space here and lots of space on the left side of the A. So they're gonna make me probably do it this way instead of like moving everything. Oh wait, I don't know why they're doing that. Like... Alright, I'm done with this one. So you can see, the score. I think they finalize it and they round it off. But just a bit of fun, bit of casual. I don't like how they can't move the letters. There we go, 69. Alright, cool, let's do the next one. So this one's all about color, right? I love color. Let's try and match these by playing around. So we're going to click to get started and see how we can do this. Oh, so what are we doing? Red. Wait, was it blue? Oh, and actually this one. There you go. Perfect. Boom. Excellent. Too easy. This is more green. Very good. Purple. It's good when you have a good monitor. Because it's a lot easier. Pink. Boom, perfect. Oh, so many perfects, guys. Smashing it. Boom. Saturation. Alright, let's do this. And they give you like different, so you can do hue, saturation, complementary, and then it goes to the other ones down the bottom, you can see. Alright, so this one's a bit more challenging, but this is desaturated green. Boom, perfect. Smashing it. This one. Let's go desaturated blue. This is a bit of a muddy green, pretty dark. Alright, very good, not too bad. Another light blue we have. Excellent. It's all about figuring out like if it's like light or dark, and then find the in between. Complementary, sweet. Alright, so you can see there's two circles now, so it's basically we've got to complement each other. Oh, what happened there? Something, this is trippy. Alright, the green. It's best to focus on like one color so it matches well. Very good. Oh, that's cool. Darker side. Okay. Yeah, I think that's good. Yellow, blue. Yellow. What? That looks so similar. What the heck? Pink, green and purple again. Come on, they gotta give you different options. Well, I think it's glitching. Unless I was doing it on the wrong side. Oh well. Alright, analogous, let's do this. So this one's all about colors that are on the same scale, so like next to each other. Alright, am I doing a lot of focusing here? Oh no. Alright, red pink. Let's see, that's good, very good. Red, yellow, bit darker. There we go, very good. So you guys can play and see what you're gonna get. Perfect, finally I got one. Purple, yep, awesome. Sweet. Alrighty. So this one is triadic, which is triple. So pink, yellow. You've got to also match the same side as well, which is a tricky bit. So you've got to focus where your mouse is. Boom, perfect. That's like RGB right there. Not bad, not bad. Why did they give me the same one again? The opposite sides. Oh well. Oh no. Oh whoops. That was an accident. Alright, let's figure this one out. Okay. Very good. So put this. Alrighty, saturated. This one is like, these colors are ugly. Too easy. Okay. Not bad. 10, 10, 3. Yeah, that one I stuffed up. 10, 10, 7, 7, 7.3. Woohoo! Not bad. Should I tweet it? No, I'll just leave it. Alright, one quick last one and we'll see. This is another typography one, shape type, a lettering game. So basically you drag the handle to get the letters to the right amount. So, and obviously you want to hold shift. This is how you, in Illustrator, you want to like hold shift. And I'm just doing it all by oh, let's compare. 75, sweet. Next, let's do this. Alright, so this one like this. Yeah, not bad. I rushed that one, but ooh, this one. So when it comes to like calligraphy, you always got thick and thins. So you gotta make sure that thickness matches. You don't want to go too much. You can see it starts like making weird shapes. And this one is a very 75. Not bad, not bad. This is like, we don't want to do too much on these because I know the curve is not that big. I'm gonna zoom in because my monitor is ultra wide, it's like big. So you can see this one is very, so you can, it doesn't look like that much wrong with it though. Doesn't move that much. Move to the top there. Okay. I thought they were trolling. Oh man, what is happening? Oh, it looks like we're getting 70s to 80s most of the time. Can you use these other handles as a guide? You can see the handles there. That doesn't look that bad. Ooh, 83%. Yes. It's just, you gotta eyeball it, guys. You have to eyeball this. 73, not bad. Only a few more. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, I didn't do the middle bit. Whoops. I'm looking to do the middle bit as well. See, I'm matching the other side there. That's a little sharp. Whoa, what's happening? Oh, that looks ugly right there. This bottom bit. Ambersand's. Ambersand's? The Aussie accent, we might say things a little bit different. Oh, I'm spreading. It's getting hot in this room. Alright, this is looking... No, you can see the curve there is a bit off. This, I think. Alright, let's test that one out. Okay. Fin. Done. Oh, 68. Not bad. Oh, well, that's it, guys. You can see my skill. Just a bit of fun, casual video. But give it a try. Give it a shot. See if you are in the highs or the lows. And enjoy it. You know, it's all a bit of fun. But anyway, thanks for watching. Smash the like button. And I really appreciate it if you just hit the subscribe button because I post graphic design content and branding content every week. So thanks for watching and I'll chat to you in the next one.